Y'all gonna make some noise? Hey, shout out to everybody for coming out tonight. Can we make some noise, fellas, for the beautiful ladies that's in the house? That's what's up, that's what's up. It really wasn't. I was gonna say that, but I didn't want to be rude. She said it wasn't loud enough. She said it wasn't loud enough. Y'all gonna make some noise for the ladies? Okay, that was cool. That was better. I go by the name Ratchet Roderick. I'm from Flint, Michigan. I live in LA now. I came to do this music shit. DJ, let's go. Hey, true story, by the way. True story.
It's real shit, man.
For real. LA, I love y'all. Already.
Hey, this real shit, man.
Okay.
This shit really happened. Set me on.
I almost died in LA on some dumb shit. I was dressed in all orange like the sun kissed. Out in Nicholson Gardens looking like a lick. Told them niggas who my brother was and I'm from Flint. I was just around the corner cussing out my bitch. Forces on, bucket hat, too legit to quit. That's why I came to this bitch. That's why I came to this bitch. Getting money in LA on that one shit. Got the line around the corner, I'm the one bitch. Go get your brothers, I'ma call my sis. Pull up, post up, I bang like babies. Championship, I'm on that one tip. If you pull up, I empty the clip like Now talk your shit, bitch. Now talk your shit, bitch. I almost cried in LA. Rest in peace, CJ. The day that I met him, he died the next day. Hold up what you say, that shit still bothers me to this day. The day that I met him, he died the next day. Almost did time in LA. Pull up like any day. I think it was the Lazo and this shit train today. Wanna go to jail or go home? I act like I'm on the phone. You say you fat fuck. If you put it to my dome, I say you gotta cheat. I am not a thief, I am not a creep. You won't catch me sleep, I'm a wolf, not a sheep. He sees, so I'm clean as a whistle. I thank God somebody passed me a tissue. I almost died in LA on that one shit. I was dressed in all orange like a sun. Out in Nicholson Gardens looking like a lick. Told them niggas who my brother was and I'm from Flint. I almost died in LA on some dumb shit. I was dressed in all orange like a sun kiss. Out in Nicholson Gardens looking like a lick. Told them niggas who my brother was and I'm from Flint. True story. And I'm being recorded this week. Y'all found with it? Yeah. I mean, everybody put out their song. What the fuck you say? Hey, can I get everybody put out their phone? Real shit, cause my shit was just hacked. I don't like that shit. My shit was hacked like a motherfucker. Who else IG was hacked? I know I the only motherfucker here IG was hacked. Anyway, Ratchet Friends, that's the backup page. Just how it's spelled, with a Z on the end. RATCHET. FRIENDZ. Y'all fuck with your boy, man. Make some noise for